Okay, if you're craving a sweet treat like I sometimes do, here's my small batch methods for some quick cookies that don't have any dairy or egg in them. They start out with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And for this particular batch, I also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, along with a pinch of salt and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. And then to add a little bit more interest to this batch, I put in a little bit of lemon zest, along with some dried rosemary leaves, which I like to crush up in my hands. They make a nice fleck in the cookie, and then rub them together so that you can release some of the essential oils. After that, this cookie is pretty low moisture, so you're going to want to add a little bit of that lemon juice, about a teaspoon of lemon juice or water, just to bring the dough a little bit up in moisture, again with no egg and no dairy. These are a little bit more like a shortbread biscuit type of cookie. You want to fork all of that together until there is no dry flour remaining, and this dough will feel kind of sandy in nature. You want to go for making about 6 cookies, a nice small batch, and you're going to work the dough in between your hands until you can form it into about a 1-inch ball. Place it on a parchment lined cookie sheet. You definitely want to have the parchment because these cookies can stick with their high sugar content. I also have the toaster oven in the background here preheating to 350. You can certainly do this in a regular oven as well, but once you get your 6 dough balls rolled out, you want to pop that into the toaster oven for 12 minutes exactly. Once the cookies come out of the oven, place them on a cooling rack and immediately take the back of a fork or spoon and press them down to shape them into about 1.5 inches in diameter with some nice crackle on the sides. These are a nice soft cookie, but as they cool, they will firm up a bit, so they're nice with a cup of tea or coffee right away or even the next day. I have more flavor versions over at dougcooking.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and hit that like button if you like what you saw today, and thanks for watching.